Hi, everyone. My name is Will, aka Dr. Financial Literacy, and I'm coming to you today for the inaugural meeting and setup of what I call the National Association of Velocity Banking and Accelerating Banking, or NAVBAB. That is the National Association of National Banking and Velocity Accelerated Banking. I think I found a need to create this organization to bring researchers, scholars, practitioners, those who have actually used velocity banking, accelerated banking, and non-user to try to gather information. I would be trying to lead a team of researchers and advocates to understand velocity banking and accelerated banking and how it can reduce the debt of individuals. That would include individuals in space, because we have a lot of individuals starting to travel back and forth in space, so they also would carry bills. We'll also be looking at individuals and groups nationally and internationally, like in other countries, and how they practice velocity banking and accelerated banking. Some of the experiments that would be run would be, how do you use velocity banking biweekly? How do you use velocity banking in California? How do you use velocity banking, say, in Georgia? How do you use velocity banking by single parents, by couples? So again, the major purpose is just to bring groups, academics, practitioners, those individuals who actually have used velocity banking, and those non-users. So I think this will be, again, the first national organization to look at these two concepts to see how individuals and groups are applying them to the utilization in their life. So this was just to be a short video just to introduce you to the association. I have a website. I will put the link to the website once I have a couple more things on the website. But just really wanted to get this group together, get this organization together, get some stories, doing some case studies, and some research to really understand this and see how individuals are using it and concept itself. So thank you very much for stopping by. And if you know anyone that has used velocity banking, accelerated banking, they're interested in sharing their stories, or if you know any researchers, scholars that is researching this phenomena. I've been doing some Google searches to see if there are studies out there in which academic institutions or researchers have looked at either one of these concepts. I've also Googled to find that there's white papers on these concepts. There are some individuals that have case studies. However, from a research perspective, a case study is really looked at, it's examined, it has hypotheses, it makes predictions. So that'd be also maybe some of the things that we run real world case studies in which we have a specific question. We're testing a theory or assumption about that question and then report back. So thank you very much for stopping by the first meeting of the National Association of Velocity Banking and Accelerating Banking, or NAVBAB. And this was our first meeting. So this is incredible. Really first. All right. So thank you very much for stopping by the First National Association of Velocity Banking and Accelerating Banking, or NAVBAB. All right. Thank you very much. Thanks for stopping by, and continue to stop by for more information. Have a great day.